So let's go to the humans, because that's most of what we sell. But there's been a huge push with pets. So going over to us, I will start with the oils because the oils are what everybody knows most of is CBD oil. So we have our lineup, and I will put these up a little bit. This is a totally family operated and bootstrap business. This is not coming from daddy's money. This is not coming from a major investor. This is not an MLM scam or a multi-level pyramid deal or anything like that. This is a brand that I helped co-create 2 years ago after using the products personally myself and seeing the benefits myself from an injury that I sustained working on duty as a police officer. And that injury unfortunately caused me to have to make a choice. Either I'm going to go into the private sector or continue doing admin work in the public sector. And I decided to move into the private sector and work for myself and be my own boss and work on my own ventures. So that's where it really started for me with CBD oil and why I'm so passionate about it, and why I really do believe in our products more than anything out there in the market. Not only because it's mine, and of course I'm going to promote it, I'm going to want people to buy it and be excited about it, but because we directly have a very good relationship with our manufacturer. We've been there, we know everybody, we know everything that goes into these products that we source only in the United States from a grow operation that we have control over and contract with right next to our manufacturing. And then on top of all of that, we third-party test all of our products. So you know exactly the purity that you're getting, and you know that you're getting CBD, and you're not getting junk thrown into it or imported CBD from another country in Southeast Asia or something where you can't certify it's authentic. And then we go a step further. We developed an app, or it's called Hemp Maps. It's on the app stores, and we put in a QR code scanner on there so people can just take their products, scan it with our scanner, and you can see firsthand what it's being tested at, knowing that you're going to get exactly what you paid for and then some, because we test higher than what we actually have in our products. So you will get more CBD per, and also being a veteran-owned company and pro law enforcement, I don't ever want somebody to ever have a false positive on a drug test and jeopardize their career. So we make sure that the THC is stripped out completely. That's why Pure American Hemp Oil is a zero THC product line. And on top of that, I truly believe that the 0.3% THC that you get out of manufacturing hemp that's in some of the other products, it does not have any benefits. It does not activate the CBD. All of our carriers for our CBD is organic MCT oil, and that's the carrier that we use to deliver the CBD in our products. There's not conclusive evidence or actual studies showing that there's any benefit when it's non-psychoactive THC at 0.3%, which is nothing, to be included with CBD products. I don't see a need for it, and I don't think that people need to stress about worrying about losing their job and having that impact them and their career negatively just to and be scared away from these products that have amazing health benefits, in my opinion and in my use. So that's the short answer of why we're a zero THC product line. So getting into our products here, we have boxes coming. But this is our 2,500 milligram, 2,500 milligrams for the entire bottle, and that's for our CBD oil. And it, like I said, it's cut with MCT oil. So you do a full dropper, you do it under the tongue. You do a full dropper under the tongue, you hold it there for about 60 seconds, and then you swallow it. And that's how you dose it, and that's how you use it. A lot of our customers, they ask, what dosing should I use if I'm just starting in this, and I want to see exactly what it does to me or how it affects me. I always tell people, I'm like, okay, listen, if you want to start out, we have 4 different ways that you can go. With the 300 that we have in the box, 300 for the entire bottle. So that's a good starting point to kind of gauge where you're at and kind of get yourself started in the CBD realm, and then kind of see, do I need more, do I need less? And if you see yourself doubling your dosing on the 300, then you can just go to the 600. You get more for your money, and then you see how you feel with that. And if you want to up it further, you go to our 1200. And then if you were really, really needing more than that, which there's some people that really do, and myself included, I use a 2,500 milligram CBD. And the reason why we stop at 2,500 milligrams on our CBD product line is because anything higher than that, it's hard for people to guarantee that they actually take out all the THC. Um, so I don't want there to be any problems with a higher concentration of CBD per bottle than the 2,500 milligram that we currently manufacture, being a zero THC product line and being a broad spectrum product line instead of a full spectrum product line. So that's why we stop at 2,500 milligrams. But these are the 4 oils that we do have, and what we're going to be doing is I can't wait for the other box to come in, because we design these. We don't have a graphic design studio. We design these personally in all of our products. So this box for the 2,500 milligram will be a gold box, and that will be our last oil that we're going to be offering as far as strength wise. But the boxes for those should be coming out soon.